has advertising with Amazon ads changed the potential of what's possible?
It's given me the ability to reach more people. It's just helped me to realize that with the right tools, there is limitless potential for growth.
And how important it is to not try to do everything. I think a mistake that a lot of people can make when they choose to delegate, they say, okay, just take this. Either it's too stressful and they don't want to look at it anymore, your knowing more can allow you to feel more empowered. What if the one thing that you've been avoiding is actually the key to your growth? Today, I'm sitting here with Jeri Ann from Southern Natural, and that is exactly what she experienced and what has really led to her incredible success with growing her business. So to begin with, Jeri Ann, will you just tell me a little bit about your business and how you got your start?
Oh, absolutely. My brand started when I found relief from a 12-year struggle with eczema and, really painful rashes.
So for those who don't know, Southern Natural is a really incredible brand that creates goat milk-based skincare products, soaps primarily, but lotions as well.
Right.
And that really unlocked some health benefits that you found that you are now able to share with people all over the world. Is that right?
That's correct.
What scared you the most as you were thinking about getting on to Amazon about running your first ad?
Well, I was afraid of wasting money, and I knew very little about the advertising platform, and I sure didn't know how to manage the ads.
So what did you do?
I decided to hire an agency, but I have to tell you that that was scary for me as well because I wasn't sure that I could afford it. Plus, spending the additional money on running the ads themselves, it was going to be a big cost for me, and as a small brand, I wasn't sure that that was something that I would be able to afford.
I think that's a really common experience that a lot of small businesses find themselves in, where it's this necessary thing that they know they need to do. But even though it's an investment, it might feel like, well, where do I actually find the resources to be able to be doing this at the scale that I need to? What do you feel like pushed you to get to that point?
Right. I felt really stuck and I didn't know what to do. I knew I needed to grow my brand. And running ads just felt like the right next step. Around that time that I was feeling that way, I belonged to a group that helps sellers on Amazon. And I learned about the agency that I hired through that group. And I started following them on social media, watching their videos. And, I just really connected with their story. They struggled in the beginning and they learned about advertising, became very proficient with it, and it really propelled their brand forward. At that same time, I didn't just immediately join their agency. And I felt like I needed to take a leap of faith, go ahead and do it, and it would all work out. And it was a really smart business decision. So I'm glad I did it.
Yeah, it's when you're in that position of recognizing that this is more that I can handle. It's not as simple as just saying, okay, well, here you go, take the keys to my business. So how do you go from this incredibly personal story that you have, this brand that you've built for so many years, that you've really put a lot of dedication and time and energy into going door to door to sell your soaps? How did you figure out who was the right fit for being able to really understand your brand and what you're building, and that you could trust them to be able to communicate your story through your product pages and your Amazon ads?
Well, again, the agency that I hired, they helped me with my product listings and my creatives, so that we could tell my story and be true to my brand story. I mean, they've helped me with more than just the advertising, They help me with a lot. And I mean, as a business owner, I manufacture my own products. So there's a lot that goes into that. And I have also come to realize that if I really want to grow, I can't be managing every task myself. I have to be willing to delegate. And advertising is just one area that I chose to delegate.
I feel like that's a lesson I personally need to learn over and over again.
Yeah, and I'm still learning that too.
Yeah. So what was the turning point when you realized after hiring this agency that, wow, ads aren't just an important thing that I need to do, but these can really be a growth engine for driving the results that I'm looking for with my business?
Yeah, so when I saw my sales increase, I really knew that, okay, this works, But at the same time, when my sales began to increase, but then I also made the decision that, okay, let's spend even more money in ads. And that was exciting. But at the same time, we had to really watch our numbers because you want to still remain profitable while you're spending more. So we had to really keep a close eye on our numbers. But I did come to realize that when you dial it in, after you experiment and test, that the potential for growth is really limitless.
Is there one moment in particular that really captured that for you, or that sort of created a turning point where you felt like, okay, I know that this is the right path for me?
Yeah, I mean, that turning point was when I made the decision for us to increase our ad spend, seeing that our reach was getting much greater, and our organic ranking was increasing, our sales were increasing, my bank account was growing, and it was just really a combination of all of those things.
I bet that's an incredibly exciting time, but I imagine just like any time when good things are happening, oftentimes combined with stress, because then you obviously have a lot more product to fulfill and manage.
Yes, absolutely. When I first hired the agency and we started increasing our ad spend, my product isn't something I make and sell the next day. We let our soap cure for 8 weeks before we sell it. So the increased ad spend meant that I had to get a lot more soap made, and I had to get it made quick. And I had to hire more people to help me. So it was a whole thing trying to maneuver the growth and making sure that we didn't stock out of any product.
Are those the types of conversations that you're having with your agency where they're saying, well, we think that a really big shopping season is coming up, and so even though it's September, you better start curing that soap because we need it to ship out?
Yes, we definitely had conversations about making sure that I had enough stock ready, especially for Prime Day and fourth quarter sales, holidays. Of course, we want to run advertising during that period. They definitely helped me to make sure that I had plenty of stock on hand and to prepare ahead.
How has advertising with Amazon ads really changed the potential of what's possible for you and your business?
It's given me the ability to reach more people, and customers who are looking for products specific to mine. It's just helped me to realize that with the right tools and the right advertising strategy, that there is limitless potential for growth. It's made a big difference in my whole business. I mean, I'm a very small business, and it's given me the ability to launch my business forward in ways that I could not have done on my own.
Yeah, I mean, I think that just speaks to the power of the platform and what's possible, and how it really does allow you to be able to reach people that you would never be able to reach in your local markets. On the other side, customers have the opportunity to be able to find those gems that can really transform their lives. And so it's just such an incredible opportunity to really be driving those kinds of connections and growing your business.
Yeah, it truly is. My company is a small company. I'm from a small town. I started in my kitchen. I was led to do my business. I had never started a business before. I didn't know what I was doing. I figured it out as I was going. A lot of hard work, footwork, going to shows across the Southeast, and just trying to get my products in front of as many people as I could, telling my story. And even with all of that and the success that brought me, I was very limited in, my reach. And once I chose to get on Amazon, it gave me greater access to a much larger market. And then I had to add advertising to that to reach customers within that market. Like I said, it's made a big difference in my company.
To me, one of the things that makes your story so inspiring is, I think oftentimes when we are facing something and we don't know how to do it, that's when we can get really in our heads and make up a million excuses for why we shouldn't, or, waiting for either until that confidence that we have it all figured out. And you take the opposite approach. You're just like, I'm going to do it. I will figure it out as I go. And I'm not afraid to also get help to fill in those gaps so that I'm not holding myself back and trying to figure out how to run ads all by myself. You see the potential in what this tool can do for you. And so you say, okay, well, let's take it where I think we can.
It's definitely made a big difference. And like you said, it's not always easy running your own business. I mean, there are so many bumps in the road along the way, and you just have to keep pressing forward and believing in yourself and trusting that as long as you're heading in the right direction, you can make it through the hard things and come out on top. Advertising has just been a really important piece of the puzzle for the success of my brand.
So you've already achieved so much. You're this year, 2025 rising star. You're continuing to just do incredible things with your business. What are you planning? How are you planning to expand your advertising strategy next?
Yeah, well, my products make great gifts. And so, we're coming up on fourth quarter and we're going to explore what our options are with virtual bundles. We'll advertise those as great gifts for the holidays. We're going to update our brand store with a Christmas theme. We'll run sponsored brand ads with, a Christmas theme as well. And so we've got some things in mind that we're, working on and doing to try to expand our advertising.
It's a really creative way to think about it because you're not having to put yourself under the stress of creating a limited edition fragrance or bundle or something that, if you don't make enough of, it's a missed opportunity, or you make too much and then you're needing to sell it at a reduced price. So you're using these tools in a really smart way to be able to tap into a very specific time of year to really present yourself as a great gift, but without needing to invest a lot of extra resources. And
Correct.
And so I think that's a smart strategy that you and your team are taking to be approaching those different opportunities that are on the horizon.
And then, of course, we're always looking and watching out for new tools that Amazon puts out to help us, with advertising. One that we've most recently tapped into was testing audiences and, finding audiences where people are looking for our specific product. So that's been one area that's been really helpful for us.
That's so interesting. And I think it also, a lot of times we think about that we need to create the demand. So often marketing, we think about like, we need to just make a lot of noise and make people realize that they want us. But what you're talking about with using audiences is really reverse engineering the opposite and saying, there are people that already want what it is that we have to offer, and we're finding creative ways to be able to reach them and just make it easier for them to find a solution like ours. What's your experience been like with Rising Star so far?
Well, I have to tell you, I feel so honored to have been chosen as one of Amazon's Rising Stars. For a small company, the visibility that it's giving me is really amazing. It's pushed me to launch my newest product, turmeric honey lemon soap.
Ooh.
Yeah, and it's also inspired me to want to learn more about the advertising platform. I've hired an agency, but I feel like if I learn more, I can be more informed, more educated when I meet with them and talk to them about my ads.
You bring up such an important point because we're talking about delegating during this conversation and how important it is to not try to do everything. But I think a mistake that a lot of people can make when they choose to delegate is they say, okay, just take this. Like either it's too stressful and like, I don't want to look at it anymore. Or on the other hand, I don't know what I'm looking at, so I'm just going to blindly trust you.
Right.
And that can sometimes put you into a problematic situation. And so your knowing more can allow you to feel more empowered to be able to just be a better partner to the agency that you're working with.
Exactly. And that's what I want. And I'm just feel really blessed that I've been inspired to learn more. And it's happened through the Rising Stars program.
So the turmeric lemon honey soap, that's what you said.
Right.
What inspired you within this program to make that particular scent?
Well, it's something that I've been wanting to do for a while, and I just have not done it because we manufacture our own products. I'm super busy just in the day-to-day things that need to be done in my business, and it seems like all of those things take up so much time that coming up with new products gets pushed to the back burner, and this just pushed me to do it, and I'm grateful it did. And it's also instilled in me a greater desire to want to get more products on Amazon. And so now I realize I'm going to get rid of more tasks, and do more delegating and start really growing my brand.
So you're using this opportunity to tap into where your biggest strengths are and then being able to leverage those to open up whole new horizons in 2026, it sounds like.
Yes, and I'm so excited for 2026. I will be launching several new products in 2026.
Okay. Can we get any teasers about what might be on the pipeline?
Sure. I want to launch a facial oil to go along with my natural goat milk soap. And I would love to launch a natural deodorant and possibly a natural shampoo and laundry soap.
Okay. Wow. So the whole house is getting
So,
a makeover.
I mean, those are products that I have been wanting to launch for a while, and so I will be working on those.
How do you work with your agency when you're thinking about developing a new product to make sure that there is that opportunity there and what it's going to look like once that product goes from idea to ready to be sold?
Sure. So even like, for example, with the turmeric honey lemon soap, I consulted with my agency. I let them know, listen, I want to bring on a turmeric soap. And I asked them to do some research for me, product research. I wanted them to find key ingredients that were trending and that customers were looking for. And so I put those key ingredients in that product.
That's such a smart point that you make, where oftentimes the searches that customers are making can give us insights into what people want. And sometimes you can combine them in really unique and interesting ways, either to be taking advantage of a trend or just seeing where the consumer interests are going and then being able to create something that kind of checks all those boxes.
Right. And you know, the search term report really helps in that area as well, because you can see exactly what keywords customers are using to search for products like yours.
What's your biggest advice for someone who's watching and still thinking about whether or not they should use Amazon ads?
Oh, I say absolutely go for it. You really can't have a business today if you're not advertising your business. It will increase your visibility. It will increase your organic rank. Ads isn't just about spending money. It's an investment in learning and growing and expanding your reach. So it's a necessity, and I say go for it.
You heard it from Jeri Ann. You don't have anything to lose, and also you don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to go for it. Jeri Ann, thank you so much for joining me and sharing about your story and sharing about all of the incredible things that you are building at Southern Natural. I am excited to continue to watch your journey. And if you feel like you could be next year's Amazon Rising Star, then go ahead and apply, because like Jeri Ann shows us, anything is possible.
Oh, thank you so much. I enjoyed it.
Thank you.